Hello, everyone. Tony Wilson here. I'm here to talk about Excel Alaska's school improvement plan, which really hasn't seen much improvement since 2016. Right now, we're trying to concentrate on our strategic plan of growing our student base. Right now, we serve about 500 students in the school year, and we want to increase that number to about 1,000. So we're looking for funding for bigger facility. And other than that, I can talk about the last time that we did revamp our curriculum, which was in 2016. Billy Joe Mills, who is Excel Alaska's deputy director, and Krista Wilson, Excel Alaska's director of operations, worked together to update all of Excel Alaska's foundational sessions. Each grade level, starting in 7th grade, has a rubric on which students are scored. Each session is scaffolded onto the next one, so by the time they graduate, they have the skills necessary to successfully transition into post-secondary education, trade schools, military, or the workforce. In the process of revamping Excel Alaska's curriculum, Krista and Billy Joe aligned it with Excel Alaska's standards, as well as the YES employability standards, which is the youth employability standards, Common Career Technical Core standards, Career and Technical Education standards, and Alaska State standards of employability skills and skills for a healthy life. They also made sure Excel foundational sessions were Perkins aligned, so the districts that we serve could send kids using the Carl Perkins funding. This revamp has proven extremely successful, and according to last year's data, students 10th grade through 12th grade earned 248 half credits, which were mostly elective credits except for our English and math credit recovery, which accounted for 21 half credits. All of you know that a half credit is earned over a semester, where we do it in no longer than about 10 days. So we have our intensives. Excel Alaska's specialty sessions fall into elective credits as well, but follow the curriculum and guidelines that pertain to the course. So, for example, if they came for the aviation side of things, they would do the Jeppesen curriculum, of which we had one student successfully complete our flight school program and obtain his private pilot's license. And then our heavy equipment operations stuff and our NCCR construction of carpentry and welding follow the NCCR core curriculum, where students can gain certificates in that. The one thing that we did add this year to improve our curriculum is we've combined Excel 7, 8, and 9 as a combination. If you did all three of those sessions, then you can earn a half credit. The reason that they aren't or weren't credited before is because they were too short of sessions to be able to get that half high school credit. And then also the 7th and 8th graders are too young to get a high school credit. This allows students hard work that happened in the 7 and 8 to be rewarded, which is nice. And prior, it was just introductory and experimental. Other than that, Excel Alaska is working towards cementing its strategic plan, which is growing so that we can serve more rural students and give them the opportunities to gain the skills necessary to transition into life after high school. And all this is extremely important. We have seen a lot of great gains. Last year, total, we had 340 certifications or licenses given to students, and this was through our specialty sessions, which is pretty amazing for the year. And then we also, students also earned 104 dual credits, so they had 248 half high school credits and 104 dual college credits, of which they earned. So pretty important role of what we're doing with our school improvement plan. It's working well right now, and we have thought about re-looking at it so that we can improve some of the minor details, but that hasn't happened yet. So that's Excel Alaska School Improvement Plan in a nutshell. Thank you for listening.